Good morning, children. Yesterday I have explained you about the nosebleed and the minor cut. I hope you understand. Now I am going to explain you what first aid should be taken during the fracture in a bone. So what is fracture? Break or crack in a bone is called a fracture. हाथ या हड्डी का टूटना या क्रैक कर जाना फ्रैक्चर कहलाता है. If a person break his bone in an accident, ensure that person is placed comfortably. In any case, if the bone is break during the accident or the person may fall or bone is crack, first you should place the person comfortably. Do not move the affected part till any medical help arrive. Also try to straighten in the affected part as it may lead to further injury. और जो पार्ट टूटा हो उसको सीधा करने की कोशिश नहीं करना चाहिए. In some case you may ask an adult to tie a splint or sling to support the fracture bone. स्लिंग और स्प्लिंट होता है जहाँ पे बोन टूटा है वहाँ पर में सपोर्ट दे करके उसको किसी कूट लगा करके कपड़े से बांध देना चाहिए. You can make a temporary splint with the help of cardboard or old newspaper and magazine. This restricts the movement of injured part. It helps the injured part not to move. Sprain is usually occur when tissue around the joint are twisted or torn. Swelling may occur in the affected area and even bruising may form. Sprain मतलब मोच आना और ये मोस्टली कहाँ पे आता है? जॉइंट पे आता है. और ऐसे केस में क्या होता है? स्वेलिंग, जो अफेक्टेड पार्ट होता है वो स्वेल कर जाता है, फूल जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो डार्क ब्लैक रेडिश कलर appear near that. In this case, you should use the ice pack over the area till the swelling goes down and make the patient rest and keep the sprain area unremoved. Now, in case of light burn, run the cold water over the burn and also apply the toothpaste over the burn area. Do not touch the blister. Blister जलने के कारण जो rashes हो जाता है, that is called blister. If the blister is rupture means broke down themselves, then wash the area with a clean water and apply some antiseptic cream. In case of serious burn, take the patient immediately to the doctor. In case of insect sting, remove the sting from the skin with the help of sterilized forceps. To sterilize the forceps, heat the tip of the forceps on the flame and then cool down before you use it. Make sure to the platform this under supervision of adult. All these things will be done in the presence of any adult person. Then apply a petroleum jelly or an oil on the affected area, then cover it with a cotton gauze. For seed sting, apply a paste of baking soda or toothpaste. For the wash sting, apply vinegar or lemon juice. Or if the pain is more, consult the doctor. Now read the lesson nicely, and if you have any confusion, ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.